In this video, you'll discover a short but powerful DIY face massage to boost circulation in your face and body, to move fluids more efficiently, to support healthy cells production, your immune function, to remove toxins, and have a great looking and glowing skin. Hi everyone, I'm Tabitha, the founder of Reclaim Your Health, and I'm passionate about movement. Movement is so simple, yet it's vital for a healthy life. Our bodies are designed to move in all different directions, and it's as important as breathing, drinking and eating. Movement is a primary need to live a healthy life, plus it's linked to so many aspects of your life. Today is all about facial massage for movement in your body. Before that, please subscribe and click the below icon for updates. Also, in the description, you'll see a link to my free Heat Plus masterclass on movement and your lymphatic health. The muscles in your face show your emotions and expressions. They're actually part of your personality. We count 42 of them, and they work in harmony most of the time. Because when there's too much tension because of stress, negativity, they tend to tighten up, the fight or flight state. You know, when you've got this kind of headache, this feeling of pressure around your forehead, and this can have an impact on your lymphatic system. Make your face look puffy, but also slow down and transform other parts of your body. And can even lead to diseases such as lymphedema or cancer. What happens is when your face muscles are tensed, stressed, the hormone cortisol is released. Cortisol's acidic nature can cause a breakdown of lymph tissue and impede lymphatic flow. Remember, your lymphatic system is like your body's sewer system. You do not want it blocked. There are many points on your body you can massage to improve your lymphatic flow. But today I want to focus on your face. By massaging your face, you can reduce muscle tension, speed up your circulation and lymph flow to help the toxins be flushed out of your body and get all the benefits of a healthy lymphatic system. My wanted today is to practice this face massage 2 to 3 times a week. So you can either do this with your fingers or with a cool face massage tool called a jade roller. Step 1. Make sure your hands and face are clean to avoid the development of unnecessary bacteria or breakout. Step 2. Moisturize. I love using carrot oil for a radiant tan at the same time. Step 3. You can then start in the middle of your face and work up. And then you can start again from the middle and work out towards the ears, before bringing it down to the neck. One thing is to never move inwards. Just give every part of your face a little bit of attention. Your cheeks, your jaws, your forehead, under your eyes, your brows. This is a quick way to massage your face, but don't rush it and take the time to enjoy the experience. And don't press too much. A massage, it doesn't mean rubbing and creating inflammation. Sometimes I massage with my fingers using my knuckles, and other time with my jade roller. I do it after my shower, but you can do it at any time. All you need is to have clean face and hands. By the way, you can also use the back of a spoon if you don't have a jade roller. If you buy a jade roller, it doesn't necessarily need to be with a jade stone. It can be made of quartz, of stainless steel, or any material which is safe for your skin and clean. If you want to become the best version of yourself and know more about how to DIY face massage to boost circulation in your face and body, to move fluids more efficiently, to support healthy cell production, immune function, and remove toxins, and simply have a glowing skin, feel free to subscribe on my website at tabithabarrel.com, on YouTube or Instagram, and be part of the Reclaim Your Health community. I can't wait to see you next week. Bye bye.